Have you ever wondered if a new medicine could transform how we treat kidney disease? It's now a reality. A groundbreaking drug that can stop kidney disease from getting worse has just been approved by the FDA. This amazing treatment can cut the risk of kidney failure by 50% for people in stages 2 to 4 of chronic kidney disease. For those who don't know, the FDA stands for the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. When something is FDA approved, it means the FDA has checked that it's safe and works well. The benefits of the product are greater than any risks. This new drug is showing amazing results in clinical trials, improving kidney function, and reducing symptoms like never before. Over 37 million Americans have chronic kidney disease, and this treatment offers hope to those with few options. Imagine a future where managing kidney health isn't a constant struggle. With this medication, patients could see big improvements in their quality of life, slowing down the disease and staying healthier for longer. Discover a new medical breakthrough that could improve lives, including yours or your loved ones. Don't miss out. Watch the full video to learn about this FDA-approved medicine and its impact on kidney health. Big news for those with chronic kidney disease. Introducing Farxiga and Forxiga, new medications just approved to treat chronic kidney disease, CKD. These drugs have proven in major trials to greatly slow down kidney disease, helping people with and without type 2 diabetes. This approval is seen as the biggest advancement in CKD treatment in over 20 years. The results are amazing. Farxiga reduced the progression of chronic kidney disease by 39% in people with stages 2 to 4. The trial was stopped early because the treatment was so effective to make it available sooner. This is a rare and important breakthrough. This new treatment will revolutionize kidney disease care, and you'll hear more about it soon. Talk to your doctor about this medication, as it could greatly improve your kidney health. However, be aware of a key side effect with Farxiga. This medication shows great promise, but can initially lower kidney function. Don't worry, we'll share tips on avoiding this and explain who should and shouldn't use it. Stick around to find out more. Have you heard of Farxiga? It was recently approved in Europe and by the FDA for treating chronic kidney disease. Not all doctors are familiar with this new treatment yet, and some might not prescribe it right away. Since this could be life-changing for people with chronic kidney disease, CKD, please share this video with anyone you know who has kidney problems or diabetes. What I'm going to show you today could greatly improve people's lives. But don't just take my word for it. Let's explore the science behind Farxiga. Farxiga is an SGLT2 inhibitor, meaning it helps lower blood sugar by making your kidneys remove excess sugar through urine. Like other SGLT2 inhibitors, such as Invokana and Jardiance, this medication can also lower the risk of heart failure, stroke, heart attack, and even death from heart problems in people with type 2 diabetes. It may also help with weight loss and improve blood pressure and cholesterol levels. What makes Farxiga special is that it can slow down kidney disease in both diabetic and non-diabetic patients, including those with IgA nephropathy. It has been shown to reduce the progression of kidney disease by 39% in stages 2 to 4. We need to share something important about Farxiga, especially a key side effect and how to manage it. When starting Farxiga, you might see an initial drop in kidney function. It's important to know this before asking your doctor for a prescription. Let us explain the research. The Java CKD Phase 3 trial included 4,304 participants with chronic kidney disease, CKD, stages 2 to 4, and a glomerular filtration rate, GFR, of 25 to 75. The trial lasted 36 months. The graph displays changes in GFR, a key measure of kidney health used to determine the stage of kidney disease. The aim of any treatment is to keep this line steady. Initially, when you start Farxiga, there's a sudden drop in GFR, about 4 points, within 2 weeks. This can be worrying if you're focusing on these numbers. However, This drop is expected and part of the process. After this initial decrease, Farxiga helps stabilize kidney function, keeping it steady over the long term and slowing any decline. To give you a clear idea, in the trial, people who only received standard care, like blood pressure pills and diuretics, saw a 12-point drop in GFR over 36 months. On the other hand, people who took Farxiga along with standard care had only a 9-point drop in GFR. This shows that Farxiga helps manage kidney disease better. Even though the initial drop in GFR might seem worrying, it's a normal part of the treatment process and leads to much better long-term results. If you have concerns, talk to your doctor. They can help you understand what to expect and get the most benefit from Farxiga. When you start taking Farxiga, it can significantly lower the risk of serious kidney disease outcomes, such as death, heart problems, and the need for dialysis, by 39%. This information comes from a major study that tracked over 4,000 patients for more than 3 years. The results are outstanding. Farxiga is effective for people with CKD caused by various issues like diabetes, high blood pressure, and IgA nephropathy. For those with IgA nephropathy, Farxiga showed a 71% reduction in the risk of primary composite outcomes and a 75% reduction in kidney-specific outcomes. These numbers make it one of the most effective treatments for this condition. Looking at the study's results, you can see that the gap between the placebo group, red line, and the Farxiga group, blue line, gets wider over time. The blue line stays almost flat, showing stable kidney function for those on Farxiga. With more data in the future, the benefits of Farxiga may look even better. Regarding the initial drop in kidney function you might see when starting Farxiga, don't be alarmed. It's a normal part of the process. Instead, focus on the long-term benefits. The goal is to keep your kidneys working well for as long as possible, which is more important than any temporary changes in test results. In fact, Farxiga's results are so promising that doctors might recommend continuing the medication even if there's a 30% decline in GFR. Researchers have a lot of confidence in this medication, and it's considered one of the biggest advancements in kidney disease treatment in the last 20 years. You might be wondering why your doctor hasn't prescribed Farxiga yet. Many people are asking this. The reason is that Farxiga is a new medication, and it was only recently approved by the FDA for treating kidney disease in the US, just 3 months ago, and only 4 or 5 days ago in Europe. It takes time for new treatments to become available to patients. The process can be slow, and many doctors might not be up to date on the latest developments. However, it's important to know that Farxiga isn't completely new. It belongs to a class of medications called SGLT2 inhibitors, which includes drugs like Invokana and Jardiance that have been used for years to treat diabetes and CKD. While Farxiga is a new medication, it builds on existing knowledge and treatments. Staying informed, like you are now, is crucial. It helps you understand why new medications might take time to become widely prescribed and ensures you know about the latest options for managing your health. If you're wondering whether Farxiga is approved where you live, the good news is that it's already available in many parts of the world. It has been approved in the US, Europe, India, Canada, and Australia for treating kidney disease. However, in the Philippines, it's currently approved only for diabetic patients. Before starting Farxiga, make sure to discuss any potential side effects with your doctor. Farxiga can have some side effects, including a higher risk of infections, dehydration, and low blood sugar levels. If you're using insulin, be especially careful. Although Farxiga can be used with insulin, it's important to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly to prevent complications. Also, note that Farxiga doesn't have a generic version yet, and not all insurance plans may cover it. Additionally, some patients, such as those with type 1 diabetes, polycystic kidney disease, or lupus nephritis, might not be able to use it. If you're unsure whether Farxiga is right for you or how it fits into your treatment plan, have a detailed discussion with your healthcare provider. They can help ensure you get the best care based on your specific needs. Thank you for watching our video on this groundbreaking FDA-approved kidney medication that could save millions of lives. We're excited about the positive impact it could have on treating kidney disease. If you or someone you know has experience with kidney health or has tried new treatments, we'd love to hear from you. Please share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.